Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable Judge and all amazing storytellers. Let me introduce myself. My name is Karen Zulfa Rahmansyah, or you can call me Zulfa. I'm from MTSN to Kebumen, and today I'm going to tell you a famous folk tale from Indonesia. It's called Timun Mas, which means golden cucumber. Are you ready to hear the story? So, let's go back in time. Long time ago, in a quiet village near the forest, there lived a kind old woman named Mbok Sarni. She was good and gentle, but very lonely. Every night, she wished human stars for a child to love. Oh God, I wish I have a child, just one child to love and take care of. One night, a giant came out from the forest. Mbok Sarni, do you want a child? I can give what you want. Budejo, what do you mean? Are you sure? Yes, of course. But when she turns 17, you must give her back to me. I agree, Budejo. Thank you very much. After that, Mosardi planted the seeds according to the instruction of Budejo. And one morning, a huge golden cucumber, it grew. Ugh, it's very heavy. I should open it. Oh my God, beautiful baby girl. How cute you are. How should I call you? What is it? Timun Mas. Yes, you are Timun Mas because you were born from the golden cucumber. Time goes by. Timun Mas grew into a kind and brave young girl. Bosarni loved her so much. And finally, the time has come. Timun Mas exactly 17 years old. Bosarni never forget her promise to the giant. Bosarni panicked and she decided to go to the mountain to see a holy hermit. Bosarni told the holy hermit about her problem, and the hermit gave her 4 magical items. Bosarni, give this to Timun Mas. This 4 bag contain cucumber seeds, needles, salt, and shrimp paste. It will protect her. Thank you so much, hermit. A few days later, Budejo came to Bosarni to collect her promise. Bosarni, where's Timun Mas? Now I will take her back. Ha ha ha. My daughter, run! Take this bag with you. It can save you from the giant. Run to the big door now. Timun Mas ran to the forest, but Budejo was getting closer and closer. Timun Mas opened the first bag. She threw the cucumber seeds. And a pig finds its crew wrapping around the Budejo. As Budejo was getting closer, Timun Mas took her second bag with needles inside and she threw it behind her. And the needles turned into a sharp and thorny bamboo. Budejo's body was cut and scratched. What did you do? I got you, Timun Mas! And he tried to get himself out from the bamboo. Realizing Butoijo was still chasing him, Timun Mas took out of the third bag with salt inside. And a wide ocean appeared. But Butoijo can cross a wide ocean easily. Finally, Timun Mas took her last bag with shrimp paste inside. And it turning into a boiling mud. Help! Help me! No! The giant screamed as the boiling mud pulled heels deeper and deeper. And then he was gone. Potato sank and disappeared forever. Timon Mas returned home and Bosani held her tightly. The fairy tale contained a message that being a woman requires courage to the ability to find solutions when experiencing difficulties. As a child, you should respect your parents and not make promises if in the end you cannot keep them. That's all the story of Timun Mas. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.